like me, I let go from the remote.
Yeah, let go either.
No, I let go from the remote. Every time I come out, you know, the more poor pop girls.
Yeah, girl, brother.
Me say let go from the remote, now look boy.
Me a bigger one.
Look boy, let go from the remote, look boy.
Me bigger than you. Me not let go this.
Yeah, let go.
Oh, me tell this moon you come catch with same way.
Poor pop girls time, I go miss me.
Yeah, I eat that more what you know, you.
Look where you make gone. You make all the light gone. Give me your remote, man. Look,
Are
the
you
way I
fast,
fix
brother?
that chop.
Are you brother, let go from me. Are you an idiot, brother?
You are idiot.
No, are you an idiot?
Are you an idiot?
You're menke, brother.
Me a menke. But you are too menke, Junior. Look here, make it like God power. We did what? SpongeBob.
Brother, you're a fool, brother. Can't you even make a watch karate, brother?
Me don't watch karate. Me tell about bush karate, brother. Me don't watch karate, brother. Me don't watch. Me don't watch. I come out of rain and I'm gonna get shocked. You go see who I eat that. Brother, go feel leather, my youth. Go feel leather, my youth.
Go feel leather, brother.
You go feel leather, brother. Me I go fix the leather. Me fix the lights. Fix the light. Me I go fix the light. Go feel leather.
Idiot, brother.
Go feel the leather. Go feel the leather.
Me I go feel leather. Who's fine leather?
Which part leather there? The leather there. Which part 3 people there? Which part 3 rock filer there? And which part 3 stinking up there over Mr. Joseph Yard?
I mean, alone, you want to go for that run, sir?
Go over.
Yeah, man,
Mate, go left, go left. Go put the leather. Go put the leather, mate. Go put the leather.
But tough push the leather, brother.
Push the leather.
The leather heavy, you know you would.
Move the leather and put the leather up there. Tell him to turn up. Tell him to shut on the brakes, brother. Tell him to shut on the brakes, brother. You're not a sense. Come here, brother. Come here. You're fool, brother. You're back weak. You're not eat Camille. Yeah, put up the leather.
I can chat for man.
Put up the leather. Put up the leather. Me a go up here, come here.
Come on here, man.
He's a shaka. Check me a chicken, yo. Hold the leather, you know. Me come in your big head, you know.
Me a hold it, brother.
Come in your big head, hold the leather.
You can't come me. Move fast, man. Go.
The infrastructure of the cyber stake of the physical illustration.
Devon, you sure you know where you do?
Eh? A school me go for this, man. A school me go for this.
Brother, who school? You got school for this, brother. You just remember see a dunce, brother.
And that you ever did, ever done great. You don't know me, you know? Pass the wrench, me.
Wrench? Me I do wrench. The wrench can fix up this up.
What do you mean? I mean the plunger.
Yes, you see no sense.
I mistake, me.
Oh, you be fix current and wet, brother.
Wet hands now, I'm not to do with this. Wet hands, watch her. Raw current me a touch. Raw current. My bad.
Alright. And all that talk about plunger and wrench and they can't fix it.
Subscribe.
With them a fight, more money rise. So me not gonna make it now I be my manager. Remember the words of my mother voice. Keep your head in the sky and your eyes on the price. Vanish down the